All right, 13, we're going to solve this rational expression. So we have x plus 7 divided by 2x, and that is greater than or equal to 0. So this time we have equality. We're going to find out what makes the bottom 0. So we have 2x equals 0. If you divide by 2, that's going to give you x equal 0, or not equal to 0. X cannot be. That's coming from the bottom. And then, since we have 0 on this other side already, whenever we try to solve this expression, we can still do our cross multiplying. So x plus 7 over 2x is greater than or equal to 0. We're going to multiply by 2x on both sides. So that's going to cancel out here, and then 2x times 0 is going to be 0. So I have x plus 7, let's just say equal 0, and then solve this. This will give us x equals negative 7. So this is our other critical value. We got 0 and 7, so I'm going to do a number line. And I'm looking for values that make this expression greater than or equal to 0. Greater than meaning positive, so I'm looking for positive answers. And our two critical values are negative 7 and 0. Cannot use 0. And then I'm going to pick a number over here. Let's just say negative 10. Between these two, let's say negative 1. And then on the other side of here, we can do 1. Now, I'm going to do all this by hand this time. I don't really care about the value of the number. I just want to know, is it negative or positive? So I'm going to be plugging negative 10 for these x's. Negative 10 plus 7 over 2 times negative 10. When I do this, the top comes out negative. The bottom comes out negative. Negative divided by negative, positive. So this comes out positive, which is what we want. So part of my answer is going to be negative infinity to 7. Now, because equality, we're going to put the 7 in a bracket. All right, now I'm going to try negative 1. So I'm going to have a negative 1 plus 7, and then 2 times negative 1. So this top comes out positive. The bottom comes out negative. Positive over negative is a negative. So this middle comes out negative, and we want positive, so that will not be part of the solution. And then we'll plug in 1. So if I plug in 1, I have 1 plus 7 over 2 times 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us a positive 8, and then 2 times 1 is positive, and this comes out positive as well. And that's what we're looking for. So from 0 to infinity is going to be another part. And we can't put 0 in a bracket because that makes the bottom 0, and that's going to be undefined. So we don't put a bracket on that one. We would if it wasn't making the denominator 0. Sorry, we cannot see that part. So that is that. Cannot put 0 in a bracket even though we have equality because it makes the denominator 0. So negative infinity. Actually, I got the wrong one. I need the half open close. There we go. Negative infinity to negative 7. I left my negative off. Gotta be careful there. And then union 0 to infinity.